Hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we solve angle sum. Okay, find the value of x at all angles. These are the angles. Consider and figure three angles are there. Find out these three angles. The value of these three angles. How can we find out? Already we are know that the sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree because this is in straight line. This is in 180 degree. So we write 5x plus 7x plus 6x is equal to 180 degree. After we find the value of x, add these three, get 18x is equal to 180 degree. Find the value of x. X is equal to 180 degree divided by 18. So 18 times 180 degree. So 10 degree. The value of x is 10 degree. Consider first angle. It is in 5x. So 5x is equal to, the value of x is 10. 5 is equal to 10 5 is 50 degree. The value of this one is 50 degree. Consider second angle. Consider this one is first angle, this one is second angle, this one is third angle. Consider second angle. 7x is there. So 7, the value of x is 10. So 70 degree. Consider third angle. 6x is there. 6x is equal to 6 into 10 is equal to 60 degree. These are the values of these three angles. First angle is in 50 degree. Second angle is in 70 degree. Third angle is in 60 degree. Okay? Understood? How can we find out this sum?